Hello, welcoming you all back to your video lecture series on Business Information System. I am Pavithra, working as Assistant Professor at the Department of Business Administration UG at Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. So, in our previous video lecture series, we have been discussed about various management related topics, and we have discussed various case studies and DD based classes. And today in this lecture series, we have been getting into a new lecture series on business information system. So in this business information system, we will be discussing about various interesting topics on data management system in an organization, how a data is managed and organized inside an organization, and how those data are utilized for the decision making purpose. And we will be discussing everything about this in this business information video lecture series. So without any more delay, let's get into today's video on business information system. So coming up with the introduction of business information system. So first and foremost, to give you people an introduction of this course. So business information system is actually uh, the area where we will be learning about how a business gathers the information uh, to make a appropriate decision for the successful implementation or successful achievement of their goal or objective. It is all fully about how well the organization collects the information from various sources, and how organizingly and how efficiently the business uses those data into their business for its success and for its unwavering achievement. So we will be discussing about all these in this lecture series. And business information system is fully about how a business collects the data, how it segregates those data, and how it uses those data in for a success of a business. So here we will be going into that. Business information system is actually a complex system that uses, it is a combination of software, hardwares, peoples, and it is a data's information and all these things and networks. So business information system is an entire combination of these five characteristics, that is software, hardware, people, networks, and data. So with these five components, we will be involving in a business information system. So firstly, discussing about software. Software is nothing but the applications that we are been using for accessing the data in a business, and we will be discussing further about what is data, database, everything in our upcoming videos. So initially, I will giving you a gist about this, and moving on to the further videos, we will be discussing it clearly. So hardware is nothing but the output processing devices that we have been using to access the um, tools or data, and people are we people who access those data are people or human resources, and networks are the connecting features that helps different peoples or different resources to access the required data. And whereas data is a collection of numerous facts of the organization on a or a relevant information. So this BIS system can be used to support business operations, facilitate the decision making, and this as well improves the communication and collaboration inside the workplace for an effective workplace and an efficient work environment. So the business environment information system are a set of interconnected information resources. This includes, as we discussed priorly, this includes software, hardware, networks, communications, um, system uses, um, and various other sources. So these five components collects the data from the various sources of an organization and helps us to make a better decision inside an organization. So the BIS encompasses all information system used in a business, including those for your customer relationship management, transactions, and collaborations as well. So now discussing about the types of business information system. So the various types of business information system, that is the various types of resources or a software that helps a business to gather or segregate data, that will be discussing. So where we have saw hardware, software, everything, right? So in that the various software that helps a business to gather information, the types of business information systems are transaction processing system, enterprise resource planning systems, business collaboration systems, a management information system, decision support system, and customer relationship management system. We will be discussing all these clearly in our next video elaborately. And these information systems provides the business with n number of benefits that helps them to improve their overall performance and efficiency. This kind of a business information system also automates the routine tasks, reduces the errors and flaws inside the business, and improvises the communication and makes the data processing process more effectively, and it makes the process more faster. And so the business information systems helps or uh, navigates the manager with timely and accurate data to make informed decisions, support innovation and flexibility, and enhance the customer services inside the organization. So additionally, information system can streamline operations. This reduces the waste and optimizes resource allocation to help the business to save cost. So that's it about today's video on an introduction of business information system. So in our next video, we will be discussing clearly about the different types of information systems separately and elaborately, and we will be discussing about data and various other uh, topics in business information system. Thank you, and see you all soon in the next video.